Hi Tian, happy birthday. I hope na more birthdays coming for you.
Hi, good morning, Ann. It's your birthday. Uh, Hope that you are in a good condition, fulfill your ambition in your life, and for your future. God bless you, and thank you. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday and may you have more birthdays to come.
Hi Ate Ann, happy birthday. Sana magbakasyon ka dito ulit. Sayang wala kaming regalo. Pagpunta mo na lang dito, baka may bigay na ako sa'yo.
Hello Ate Ann, happy birthday.
Hi babes, good morning. It's early in the morning here in the Philippines. Gumising talaga ako para sa'yo. Happy birthday to you. I hope more blessings to you and to your family, especially to your love life. Sana whatever plans you have, matupad mo yun kasi iba ka eh. Ikaw kasi yung on the go palagi. Sabi mo ready ka as always. So I hope that whatever you do, I know you trust God as always. So be happy and stay nice and humble babes. So once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ann! Sana marami pang birthday yung darating sa buhay mo.
Hi and happy birthday. I wish you all the happiness in life. And sana maging maligaya ka always. Sana you should put God first in the middle of, on the center of your heart so that every decision that you're gonna make will be right and sana happy ka always. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Hello, Ate Ann. Happy birthday! Ano nga pala, wish ko sa'yo na good health palagi, stay strong, and God bless. Nga pala, si Kuya nga pala may ni-request. Kailangan daw ng serenade. Total, wala siya dito. Waiting for you, call I'm sick, call I'm angry, call I'm desperate for your voice. Listening to the song we used to sing in the cards. You remember butterfly, early summer was playing on the beat, just like when we were big, like when we were big. 'Cause I was born to tell you I love you, and I am torn to do what I have to make you mine. Stay with me tonight. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday.
Hi Ann! Happy birthday! Magluluto ako ng ampalaya for you. I wish na i-guide ka ni Lord in every steps of your journey with pangit. Pangit siya. Huwag mo siya kung anuhin kasi awa-awa yung mga hip-hopper. Tapos, basta, enjoy your day. Tapos, I wish you all the best. Lagi na, I wish you all the best. Basta yun. Tapos, happy birthday!
Happy birthday Ate Ann. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hello, Ann. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. And sana, maging kayo talaga ng cousin ko at tuloy-tuloy ang pag-ibigan ninyo. Continue to love each other at sana magkaroon kayo ng maraming anak. Mga 10, okay na siguro yun. Well, alam ko na hindi pa tayo nag-meet in person, pero sana magkakita tayo at magkakilala ng personal. At alam ko na mabait ka at mabait naman ng cousin ko. Good luck in your all the endeavors that you will go through. Sana ay pagpalain ka pa ng Diyos at magkaroon ka pa ng mahabang buhay kasama ang pinsan ko. God bless! I love you!
Hello, Ann. Happy birthday. Sana, makasali ka sa kasal ko. Makauwi ka. I hope always good health. Yun na yun. Lahat na. Yun na yun. Sana sa kasal ko. Sana makasali ka.
Hello and good day. Just want to say happy birthday to you. Sana ikaw masaya dyan. Kahit na una lang tayo nagkita doon sa Manila, kasama si Diboy, pero I know na masarap kang kasama. Sana ay mag-meet tayo muli. Yun nga, ako ay kakasal na rin. Wala na yung bilin ko sa'yo dati. Yun lang, sana ay magkita tayo dito sa sa Surigao sa pag-uwi mo. At saka salamat din sa company mo nung nagkita tayo sa Manila. Basta, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless. Sa love life mo. Together with the boy. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Ayan. Happy 18th birthday. 18 ba talaga? Happy birthday. Thank you for coming to my cousin's life, Eddie. Tuwang-tuwa yun. Inspired yun. Laging naisip ka. Kahit alam natin yung mga pinagdaanan nyo. Remain pretty. Remain pa. Stay pretty. Stay cool. Love na love ka ng cousin ko. Mag-ingat ka dyan sa OC, ha. Maraming mga mandurugas dyan. Joke.
Hey Yan, happy birthday. Sana mag-thank you sa'yo sa lahat ng bonding moments natin together and for taking care of my cousin, for loving him so much. I know you guys had been through a lot of stuff and so lang sana mag-thank you for everything and for sa pagtrato mo sa amin like parang kapamilya mo na, pag-aaruga mo, and as well as yung mga sharing moments natin together and with the cousins and stuff. So thank you, I miss you. Uwi ka na dito sa Pilipinas para inuman naman tayo ulit. Happy birthday. Thank you. Hi.
Hi May, happy birthday. Namiss na kita. Ano ba, lagi kitang naiisip. Araw-araw, pagising ko, lagi kitang binabati. Kaya ulit kita makakasama. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Sana okay naman yung pinipino kong surprise para sa'yo. Kaya pala ito, flowers for you. Sensya na, ilan talaga yung kinaya ng powers ko. Sana, kung naman pinagdaanan natin, sana naman mag-serve as, challenge test para maging strong tayo. Sana huwag po tayo mag-give up. And stay cute, stay cool, and habalan natin pasensya ng bawat isa. Sabi nga nila, kailangan mo natin gumawa ng maraming anak. 10 or 12 yun para isang team. Anyway, I hope na sana happy ka talaga. Happy ka sa birthday mo. Kahit nagbibisi-bisihan ka. Tsaka kahit busy ako, magkaroon din naman ako ng time para sa'yo. Alam mo naman, pasensya na ulit sa mga lapses ko, sa mga pagkukulang ko sa'yo. Sana sabay tayong tumanda, kasama with our kids, 12 kids. Panalong panalo. I love you, Mi. Mahal na mahal kita. Ingat ka lagi. Huwag na laging pasaway. Ha? Nurse na pasaway. Ako lang yun. Mahal na mahal naman kita. Ingat ka lagi, ha? God bless you. Love you. I love you, Day. Gigong mata ka.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday ulit. Ako na lang bublome ah. Wala ka naman dito eh. Sensya na sa cake. Make a wish. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Yeah, yeah, oh, I know you hate me. Yeah, yeah, oh, well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah, I know it's kind of late.